Reuven Learner. For years, I've been teaching Pandas. And for years, people have been asking me, where can I get more practice problems to improve my Pandas fluency? More than 2 years ago, I launched Bamboo Weekly, where every Wednesday you get new questions that force you to use Pandas and Python to solve data analysis problems using real-world data based on current events. And every Thursday, I then give you the full solutions step by step by step, walking you through the parts of the Pandas API that helped me at least to solve the problem and explaining why I did it in that way. Well, we're now starting year 3 of Bamboo Weekly, and I've added a bunch of features that I think will make it an even better learning guide for you. So the first thing is if you go into a question post, that's to say a question that's a Wednesday post, you will see that we now have tagging. That's right, every single post in Bamboo Weekly is now tagged with the Pandas topics that you want to learn. Want to find the back issues that are on a particular topic? You want to learn more about plotting? Click here and you get to all the back issues that use plotting. Want to get better at joining? Click here and learn about all of the places where you can do joining. And the more practice you do, of course, the better you'll get at that particular topic. Now, every Bamboo Weekly issue is free for anyone to read through the first 2 questions. So you'll see here that the first 2 questions are listed, and then the rest is for paid subscribers only. Well, what do paid subscribers see? Well, if I go here to the questions, we'll go to all the questions, all 6 of them, and then here's another new feature I've added. You can download the data file. You don't need to go searching through whatever website it is, sometimes signing up, sometimes using an API. You can just get the data file. You'll still need to create the data frames and use Pandas, but this solves one problem for you. But if you then go into the solutions, and by the way, the solutions also are tagged, and then you'll see all the questions here. If we scroll all the way down to the bottom, this is another new feature that I've added in the last few weeks. You get not only the data, but my Jupyter notebook. You can just download it and open it up in Jupyter. Actually, that's not such a new feature. I've been doing that for a while. What's new is, if you want to, you can just open it up in Google Colab. Click on this link. It opens Google Colab, loading up my Jupyter notebook, and you can just run it right away. Now, Google will warn you like this. Hey, this was not authorized by Google. Do you want this? Yeah, run anyway. What could I possibly do that would be terrible? Okay, trust me. Anyway, then you can get to work exploring my notebook, exploring my techniques, learning from them, trying to change them, see what works better or worse. This one click into Colab with my notebook is a real game changer if you want to really get more understanding of Pandas in depth. And in general, I'm aiming for Bamboo Weekly to be the best way for you to get Pandas practice every single week with real-world data and real-world interesting problems. You can join Bamboo Weekly by going to bambooweekly.com. Again, free subscribers get the first 2 questions and answers every single week. Paid subscribers get all the questions, all the answers, and access to our office hours once a month. And if you want even more, you can join my Learner Python Plus Data subscription, and that gives you not only Bamboo Weekly, but all of my Pandas and NumPy and data analysis courses, plus office hours twice a month, once for Python, once for Pandas, plus members-only lectures twice a month, once for Python, once for Pandas, plus access to our Discord forum where you can ask me any questions you have. The bottom line is I want you to get better with Pandas. I want you to get more fluent, and I hope that Bamboo Weekly with these new features will make it even easier. Come join me at Bamboo Weekly, take a look at what I got, and tell me how I can make it even better so you can learn even more. I hope to see you there on Bamboo Weekly.